Let me introduce the add-on, Form to Airtable. This add-on lets you connect Google Forms to Airtable. Whenever there is a submission from your Google form, you can use the add-on to take the form submission data and create a new record in an Airtable table. I have a form titled Worklog Submission. The fields include name, notes, status, image links, due date, priority, tags, estimated hours, completion, approval status, phone, contact email, website, and satisfaction rating. I collect these fields from people in my company to log work that is completed, pending, or in any other status. Now I configure the Form to Airtable add-on. Open the Add-ons menu and click Form to Airtable. Click on Configure. The first time you open the add-on, it prompts you to connect to Airtable. Click on Start Setup. Open the Developer Hub. If you don't have an Airtable developer account, navigate to the following URL, which will take you to this page. In Airtable, Create Token. Click on Create Token and set the name. Add the required scopes for the add-on. It needs red scope and right scope. It also needs schema red scope and schema right scope. Create access for either all resources or restrict it to a specific database. In this case, I choose Projects and click Create Token. The token is generated here. Copy the token. Click Done. Come back to the connection screen. Click Next. Paste the token. Save the token. Once saved, close the dialog. Open the Add-ons menu and select Form to Airtable. Click on Configure again. The second time, it takes you to the Form to Airtable mapping screen. Set the action, Create New Record. Configure the mapping. Choose the table. Worklog is the table name. Projects is the database name. Now expand the fields. In the fields, you have special form fields as well as user-generated fields. Form question. To map name to name, select the form question for name. For notes, search for notes. Status, images, image links, and due date. Priority. Tags. You can hardwire the tag if you want the same value for every submission. The hardwired tag is set. If it is always internal, you can set it as internal, or you can create a variable tag. by mapping a tag's form question. Choose estimated hours. Align to the corresponding form question. Completion question. Approved or not, either hardwired or mapped. Choose the phone question. For email, add the respondent email or the contact email question from the form. Website and the satisfaction rating. Configure logic. Where name is not empty. Browse. Choose an existing sheet or create a new sheet. Form to Airtable sheet. This will contain the log tab, or you can create a new sheet. You can open it using the icon that points to the new sheet. Accept the disclaimer and save the configuration. The dialog closes automatically. Come back to the form. I have pre-filled the form. Name, bug fix set issue. Under Notes, add the image links. I have 2 links separated by a comma or a comma and space. The due date is selected. Priority is set to high, urgent or as required. Tags. Internal command development. Estimated out. Budget completion. Approved is set to false. You can make this a drop-down or a radio button. If it is a Boolean, it is preferable to use a radio option for true or false. Website, example email, and satisfaction rating. I click Submit and watch the sheet. You can see the sheet now. After a moment, a log tab is created. Click on the log tab and you can see it was successful. Now go to Airtable and see that the bug fix entry is created. If you want to make edits, you can edit the response. I delete the entry. Edit the response again. I can also change some of the fields. Make this a multiple choice. Refresh the pre-filled form entries. I set it to false as an example. Submit the form. A new record is created, and you can see the bug fix entry. It is very efficient. The record is created with all fields, including date and rating. I hope this add-on is helpful.